It's not every day you get to have lunch date with Ranveer. Thank you so much, Ranveer. I don't like pizza. नहीं, I don't like pizza. नहीं. तो देख सकते हैं आप.
ये पिज़्ज़ा नहीं खाती.
तो चलिए, पहले हम बुलाने वाले सोनाक्षी के फ़ैन को, क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंतज़ार कर चुके हैं वो. उनका नाम है कविश एंड सोनाक्षी. He's won the competition and is definitely, got the coupon for it, and he deserves to be here. So let's call him.
Please.
Kavish, please come and join us
For high tea.
for high tea. Please take a seat.
Yes.
So, Kavish, कुछ कहना चाहते हैं सोनाक्षी को आप?
Well, I'm really thrilled, coming and meeting you here, and this has been like I had really strived for the contest, and I have won.
Kavish,
So,
very wish for you.
Yes, very wishful. Yes.
तो अब जब सामने बैठी है खुद सोनाक्षी, क्या कहना चाहिए उनको?
Well, I'm actually tongue-tied for a moment.
क्या बात
Okay,
है?
take time to compose
I feel you,
yourself.
brother.
Why don't you eat something?
Kind of happened to me the first time I met her.
Yeah, absolutely.
No, it didn't.
Can you imagine me getting tongue-tied? Huh?
He's only chapter since the first time.
चलिए, आप कुछ कह रहे थे.
Yes, I had this one question that it actually just came up to my mind, and based on the theme of your movie, which is romance again. How do you think is actually romance and say about friendship in these days?
In these days, well, I think everything takes. We've evolved, I mean, along with society, along with the people around us, along with the way our environment, we've also evolved as people who fall in love. And I think what we've portrayed in Lutera is a very old world romance, which is, in the 1950s, where people spoke through eyes more than anything else. And it was beautiful. I mean, there were so many distances, so many days that you don't meet, at one go, and the love is still intact. But nowadays, there's so much happening around us. There's so many distractions. There's technology. There's internet. There's telephones. So there's so many distractions, and I think everything's just moving at a much faster pace. I think it'd be really nice if someone somewhere came along and sort of brought back that old world romance.
वो वाला love rare हो गया है.
हाँ,
rare.
very rare. It's there. I'm sure it's there, but it's rare.
How sweet. And as you can see, they are extremely down to earth people. I'm sure that you had a different view. How did you think she's going to be in? How did you think Ranveer is going to be?
Well, I'm not kind of surprised because I had expected, Ranveer to be peppy impromptu on the stage.
आप बचपन में पेपी खाते थे? मैं बड़ा खाता था पेपी.
मैं भी खाती थी पेप्पी.
इसलिए शायद मैं हूँ.
So,
और मैं भी
yes.
खाती थी. मैं इतनी पेप्पी नहीं हूँ.
पेपी नहीं खाता.
So yes, so that's what I had.
Simba,
That was the feeling that I had, and yeah, it's kind of true. So
You had a
and I'm
lot.
happy about meeting him in person.
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
He wanted to know what is your ideal man? Who is the kind of ideal man that you'd like to date or would like to get eventually married to? Isn't it?
Yes.
Well, a very important criteria for me is height. He has to be.
You want a pen and paper? You want to take some notes?
He has to be really tall, like way taller than
लिख
me.
ले.
Good sense of humor. Witty, charming, and he has to be like. I should be his world. Like everything he does should revolve around me.
So basically, I fit all the criteria except मैं height में मार खा गया.
That is the first criteria. Okay.
Top
Top
criteria.
criteria.
Thank you so much, and I'm sure you're happy meeting Sonakshi and Ranveer, and as you see, they're amazing people.
Completely.
Before you go, anything else that you'd like to add?
No. Well, thanks to Mills and Moons for giving me this opportunity about
And-
meeting you
and
all
to
in
us
person,
as well.
and
Lovely
Lutera
meeting
team,
you.
obviously.
It was lovely meeting you.
Yes, same as Sonakshi. Thanks.
Thank you.
तो वो थे कविश जो कि बहुत खुश होकर गए यहाँ से. I'm sure he's very excited. And now we have Ranveer's fan. And who has the name Chanel. No, it's not a brand, it's a person, and she's soon. Please join us. She's standing there for quite some time, and I'm sure she's very excited.
Chanel, मैं तेरा गुच्ची.
Okay, you have a lovely name, by the way.
I have a question for her.
Please go ahead.
Please tell us the story behind your name. It's very
I know,
unique. It's
yeah.
the first time I've heard a person with the name
Chanel.
How do you spell it?
SHONELL.
Okay.
SHONEL.
NELL.
Oh, so it's not.
It's not
CHA.
Well, I'm a Gujarati, so my dad didn't want to keep it a very typical Sonal or something like that, and he kind of coined it. He's a writer as well.
That's
It's
cool.
like a
So it's creative. We were
news
very
thing on
creative. That's
Shonal.
really cool.
But that's cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your name is already appreciated. So the ice has been broken
आज से
already.
मेरा नाम रॉबे है.
Chanel,
Yeah.
Ranveer in front of you.
Hi.
तो उनसे क्या पूछना चाहेंगे आप?
Well, actually, I've been reading Mills and Boon like forever now, like since I was a kid. And when I thought of Mills and Boon, what will be a Mills and Boon guy? Like, I think Ranveer pretty much fits the bill, with or without the mush. So, what do you think? What's your Mills and Boon kind? Or what's your ideal kind of?
Wow. Firstly, tell me, is that the natural color of your eyes?
No.
You're wearing lenses? They're cool.
Thank you.
Well, she should be genuine. She should be the same person that she is with me with the rest of the world. It really disturbs me when I see, fakeness. So she should be genuine. She should be very kind. Very warm vibe she should have. She should be very pretty. Very desirable so that I'm kept on my toes. And she should laugh at all my jokes. She should be a nurturer, you know. I should be the center of her universe.
Okay. That's pretty 50s romance kind of.
Yeah. I'm a very traditional guy.
It's chauvinistic. You shouldn't the woman.
Hey, she's the center of my world. That's a given.
Sweet.
That's a given, yeah.
Hannah? There's some like you want to add something to it? What kind of books do you prefer? Like, do you like love stories? Do you like those journal romance?
I actually am a science fiction kind of reader. I don't read that much. I'm not a very avid reader, but
Science fiction.
yeah, I love science fiction books.
Science fiction?
Yeah.
Like which
Robin
one?
Cook. And
Like Prey, Michael Crichton, like Jurassic Park, and like
Semi is Robin Cook also. There's a bit of Fever, Robin Cook.
हमने पता है क्या पढ़ा हुआ है लाइफ में?
Da Vinci Code.
Da Vinci Code.
Yeah.
Michael
stuff like that. Crichton.
Crichton. हम नॉडी पढ़ते थे. नॉडी.
You have something more to ask.
Yeah, I was also thinking how, like, you must be getting this a lot, that you have to experiment a lot with your looks, and like you were mentioning on the cover also, there are so many ways, and the way as a reader also I know that there is the transformation, the growth. Now, like from 50s to now, the kind of romance and the kind of roles that you play, and the kind of experimentation that you need to do along with those, with your looks. Doesn't it get a little tiring after a point of time if there are two projects going on at the same time?
Not at all. I love.
4 at the same time. But it's fun. I mean, if you enjoy being a different person every day, it's fun.
I find it a lot of fun. वही तो मजा है. Keep switching the look. Keep. You get to live different lives, to be a part of different worlds. Like doing Lotera, I've lived a life in the 50s, essentially. So there's nothing more gratifying. It's why I do what I do, because it fascinates me.
Well, great. I hope you've had fun and meeting your idol in person. And like I asked, Kavish also, I'd like to know which is your favorite Ranveer Singh movie and
It'll.
Bang, bang, bang.
Yeah, mine too. But I'm dying for you to see Lotera. I'm very, very, very proud of it. Very special film for me. I can't wait for you to see it.
I am waiting to see it too, and I'm definitely gonna watch it until the time I lose my count to watch it.
thank you so much. Please. Well, thank you so much, the two of you. Thank you for being the real you. Like you see, they get a lot of love from the fans, from everybody else, and you know why. Besides being wonderful actors, they're wonderful human beings as well. Thank you, Sonakshi, and thank you, Ranveer. And he, in his usual style, has said thank you too. Thank you so much. Rudrani Chatraj with camera person Kailash and Manjeet Soon.